For line H, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of y. Line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units in the xy plane. What is the x-intercept of line K? Since we have 3 values of x and the corresponding values of y for line H, we can use the given 3 points in Desmos to get the equation of line H in slope-intercept form. That is y equals to mx positive b. Okay, let's take these 3 points in Desmos using the table. Just click on positive sign, go to table. Now let's take the values 18, 130, 23, 160, 26, 178. Our aim is to get the equation of line H in slope-intercept form. That is y equals to mx positive b. Now we have to take this equation as input in Desmos, and my aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to get the values of m and b. In that case, when I take this equation as input in Desmos, for y I have to use y1, for equal sign I have to take tilde sign, for x I have to use x1. Okay, now let me take the equation in Desmos over here, that is y1, and for equal sign we have to take tilde sign, then m times x1 positive b. Here I got the values of m and b, m equals to 6 and b equals to 22. Now we can write the equation of line H, that is y equals to, for m we can plug in 6, then we get 6x, and for b we can plug in 22, then we have y equals 6x positive 22. Now I got the equation of line H. Okay, now our aim is to get the x-intercept of line K. To get the x-intercept of line K, first we have to get the equation of line K. How do we have to get the equation of line K? To get equation of line K, we have to translate line H down 5 units. Okay, so now to translate the line H down 5 units, we have to replace this y by y positive 5. Okay, when I replace this y by y positive 5, I'm getting y positive 5 on the left side. We can write the stuff on the right side as it is, that is 6x positive 22. Here I got the equation of line K. Okay, now to get the x-intercept of line K, we have to plug in y equals to 0. Okay, let me plug in 0 for y over here, then we get 0 positive 5 equals to 6x positive 22. 0 positive 5 is 5. On the right side we have 6x positive 22. Let's solve for x in this equation. Let me subtract 22 from both sides of the equation. This positive 22 and negative 22 will cancel out. When I combine positive 5 and negative 22, on the left side I'm getting negative 17. On the right side we have 6x. Okay, let's divide both sides of the equation by 6. Then this 6 will cancel out. Then I'm getting negative 17 over 6 equals to x. Okay, here I got the value of x. Now we can write the x-intercept of line K. The x coordinate is negative 17 over 6. The y coordinate is 0. Negative 17 over 6 comma 0 is the x-intercept of line K. I find this point in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.